Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video tutorial of the Bagisto open source e-commerce mobile app. Once again, we are back with a new and exciting feature that has been recently launched in this Bagisto mobile app. We have completely redesigned the entire UI of the mobile application. As you can see in the README file over here, we have added an interactive homepage, product search, a dark mode theme, and the complete UI has now been updated. In this video, I'm going to showcase the full installation process and how you can configure the Bagisto mobile app. So let's get started. Firstly, this is the official repository of the Bagisto mobile app, and here you can see the available versions listed.
I'm going to download version 2.3.9.
From here, you can directly clone the repository by copying the link and pasting it into your terminal. Alternatively, you can also download the zip file, which will automatically be saved to your system. I have already downloaded and extracted the folder. After that, you just need to open it in Android Studio. So from here, you can open your project. This is Android Studio, and in my Downloads folder, I have already opened the open source e-commerce mobile app, version
2.3.9.
Once it loads, it will look something like this, with all the code folders and files displayed here. Now I'm going to show you how to connect an emulator. Click on the Device Manager. Here you can add a virtual device based on your preference. I have already added two virtual devices. One is a medium phone, and the other is a Pixel 9 Pro. You can add devices as per your requirements. Once everything is set up, you just need to run the application. Click here to start it. It is already running, so let's check it again. The emulator is starting, and it might show some issues initially. Let's open the terminal and check. When I run the app, it may show some errors because we have not configured the app URLs yet. So first, you need to enter the URLs inside the lib folder. Go to the core folder, then constants,
Open API_constants.dart file.
Here you need to enter endpoints such as the storefront key, API endpoint, and other required details. After adding all the configurations, let's run the app again. As you can see, the app is running now. It may show some warnings, but they are negligible, so you can ignore them. This is the first screen that appears, which is the splash screen. Let's run it again.
Now you can see the home page has loaded properly. This is the home page of the app, where you can view products and popular items. Next, I'm going to show you how to change colors in the Bagisto mobile app. You can customize them based on your preferences. This is clearly mentioned in the README file. To change the theme, go to the App Color section. Inside the lib folder, go to Core, then the Theme folder, and open the file app_theme.dart. Here you will find the primary colors, which you can modify. For example, I'm changing the primary color to black and another color to blue. After making these changes, the app will sync automatically. Now, as you can see, the splash screen appears again and the updated colors are applied successfully. All icons and UI elements are updated. Now, let's move towards the checkout experience. Here are the categories. You can select any product from any category. You will see banners and product listings. I'm selecting a product here and choosing the quantity. This is the product detail page, where you can see descriptions. You can add the product to your wish list, compare it, or share it directly. Now click on Add to Cart. As you can see, the product has been added successfully. Go to the Cart section. Here you can apply coupons and view the complete price breakdown, including subtotal, discounts, delivery charges, taxes, and total. Let me open it again. The app reloads, and I'm adding the product again. You can see the previous product is already there. All pricing details are displayed clearly. If you have a coupon code, you can apply it to get a discount. Now click on Pay Now and enter the billing details: email, phone number, street address, country, state, city, and PIN code. Company, click on Save and Continue. Next, select the shipping method and payment method. By default, there are two shipping options: flat rate and free shipping. I'm selecting free shipping. Here are all the billing details we just entered. You can edit them anytime by clicking on the Change button. Now proceed to the payment method, review the order details, and finally click on Place Order. As you can see, the order has been placed successfully.
You can also explore categories from here, including subcategories. In the Accounts section, if you are already a registered user, you can log in. If not, you can sign up. Let me show you quickly. Enter your details, create a password, and confirm it. Click on Sign Up, and your account will be created successfully. You will then be able to view your orders, account details, and other information. Currently, there are no orders, but once you start using the app, everything will appear here. Now, if you go to Settings, you can see additional features. For example, you can switch to dark mode by enabling the toggle. As you can see, the entire theme changes instantly. You can also manage notifications, enable all notifications, or customize them for orders and offers. There are also offline data options, such as tracking recently viewed products. In the Accounts section, you can view wish list products. Let me add a few products to the wish list. Now when I check again, all selected products appear here. You can also change colors again, and the UI will update accordingly. So this is all about the Bagisto open source e-commerce mobile app. With this video, you can easily download, install, and configure it on your system based on your requirements. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.